Let's get started. Soak the sponge with milk. Apply the chocolate ganache. Apply the same process. Apply the last layer. Make the second cake. Apply the same process. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Apply the whipping cream. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Apply the whipping cream on the second cake. Put the faux balls on the cake top. Ready to next process. Roll out the fondant with a rolling pin. Cut the excess fondant. Take a cake board and place the fondant in round shape. Cut the different shape just like ribbon. Write the message you want to write on the fondant. As I'm writing related to Independence Day, you can write any message related to your birthday, bridal shower, baby shower, just you like. Final look.